Oh, hey there. I didn't see you standing there, but while you're there, don't go nowhere. I got some racing tips to show you. Now, what I want to show you is something my great-great-granddaddy done taught me way back when. And what he taught me was how to go real fast. Now, what we're working on here is we got a perfect little 318 Chrysler. You know, one of them Dodge motors they use in NASCAR, because they use them in NASCAR, and them big old fancy Omni wing cars. You know, them big old things, great big old wing, yeah. They're made out of plywood, did you know that? Well, anyways, I want to show you some tricks that my granddaddy taught me. So, right now what we got is the itty bitty little intake manifold with these little 2 barrels. And I picked this thing up at the junkyard. It's a pretty big old 4-barrel carburetor, see? And I want to put it on there, but see, it don't fit. So we're going to make it fit. So what I done did is I went to the local farmer's market and I got me a whole slew of stuff to make it work. Now we're building a true dragster engine here, you know, like what Don Perdone and Garlitz and all them guys ran. So the first thing we need to do, we need to get rid of this here 2-barrel. We got one of these adapters from Mr. Gasket. Right there. On. Alright, now we need to get a little bit of height out of this puppy, so right there. But see here, still wrong little thing right there. So we're gonna keep going here. We're gonna throw a couple of these guys on there. There we go. We'll make a little height. Kind of go for one of them tunnel rams, you know, big old tall stinky intakes. And here we got these here spread board things. We're gonna create a little turbulence, so a little bit more horsepower, more airflow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the here square bore section and we're gonna put it like that. And we're going to take our other one and like this. So what that's going to do is the air's going to come in, it's going to expand, and it's going to contract. It's going to be like a turbo, believe it or not. And then we're going to take our other spread bar spacers here, and we're going to do the opposite. So we're going to take the big end and put it in like that. And this one, the same thing. Big old end, like that. Boom. Look at that. See how this height is going? We're going to get so much extra airflow. It's going to be like having like 100 horsepower. We're going to make 500 at this point. We ain't even done yet. So now we got ourselves a big old open one. It's just for direct airflow. It's going to be good for the engine. A little dirty too. Perfect. You want a little bit of dirt in there. Then we got this big old here black plastic thing I think I picked up at Cirilla's. There we go. There we go. Perfect. And a piece of all resistance. Right there. That's going to sit right there. And now we can put our great big old honky carburetor on top. See that? Now that is racing technology at its finest. Our airflow is going to go, and then it's going to come out the exhaust and go, but I just thought I would share this with you. Now please, if you use this, give me credit. They call me Jethro Bodine. And do not take my patent unless you give me credit, because this is patent right here. Finest in racing technology. Now let's say you don't want to go racing. You don't want this big old carburetor. What we can do, still get gas mileage. We get rid of this one. We'll take another 2 to 4 barrel adapter. Stack it on there, and now you can put a 2-barrel back on it. But look at all the extra intake manifolds you got. Panties are gonna drop when you pull up next to this thing. Chicks are gonna be like, oh dang, look at that race motor. And then you gonna have women lining down the street to make you a sandwich.